Hello everybody, welcome to Zappa Invest. I hope you have a magnificent day. Leave a like, hit that subscribe button because you need to give me a chance to hit that YouTube algorithm. Alright, let's begin. The topic of today is 3 dividend stocks to buy in 2020. Why should you buy dividend stocks? First of all, it's a great source of passive income. You buy the stock and once you have it, you get passive income. So, what can I do with my dividends? First of all, you can reinvest your dividends so you can eventually buy more shares and earn more capital, or you build your portfolio so you earn a monthly cash flow so you can pay your bills. Personally, my portfolio exists like 50-50 of growth stocks and dividend stocks. My first pick is Main Street Capital. It's an investment firm that provides long-term debt and equity capital to lower and middle market companies. Mostly companies between an annual revenue of 10 to 150 million. If we take a look to their portfolio, we can see they hold over 182 investments and their industries are so diversified. They come from energy to media, telephone communication, even healthcare, manufacturing. So we can see diversification is key. They have proven that they can go through recession. In 2008 they started their IPO. They pay a monthly dividend and an annual dividend of 5.86%. Let's take a look to the chart. On the 1 year period they are up with 15%, on the 5 year period they are up 61%. They have a market cap of 2.67 billion, volatility under 1, so very good, PE ratio of 21 and the EPS of 1.98. Let's take a look to the dividend numbers. They pay over 8 years an increasement of their dividend payout and their payout ratio is 96%. Monthly dividend has been increasing and grown 86% since their IPO. It's a sustainable growth, it's a solid company, diversification is key, so let's take a look to the other pick. The Southern Company, leading producer of clean, safe energy. I've chosen this company again on the fact they have an amazing market conditioning. If there would occur a recession, everyone still needs electric and gas. They have over 9 million customers that use it on a daily basis. They have a dividend yield of 3.96% and a strong management. If you take a look to their energy mix, we can see that coal is sitting at 22%, natural gas at 50%, nuclear gas at 16%, and renewable gas at 12%. That's like wind and solar energy. We can see that they operate in over 50 states. They have over 29,000 of employees. And let's take a deeper look to the chart. We can see it's up with 37.5% in the 1 year base and 40% in the 5 year base. We can see it has a market cap of 66 billion, volatility of 0.16, so very good, PE ratio of 14, and EPS of 4.36. They have a yield of 3.96, dividend growth is over 17 years, they have a payout ratio of 80%. So in my opinion, if you read these things, study them and adapt to it, all of these numbers make this company a good buy. They pay in February, May, August and November. So my third pick is Altria stock. It manufactures and sells cigarettes. It's also known as a sin stock because it sells a product that makes people sick at the end of the day, so it's not for every investor. Their most known brands are Philip Morris and Marlboro. They have a 35% stake in the company Juul, a 45% stake in the company Cronos, and a 10% stake in the leader of beer industry AB InBev. If we take a look to the 1 year chart, we can see they are down with 8%, and on the 5 year chart we can see they are down with 2%. They have a market cap of 91 billion, they have a volatility of 0.43, they have a really high PE ratio of 53 due to the fact they downwritten Juul, EPS of 0.93, and they pay a yield from almost 7%. Now let's take a look to the dividend numbers. They have a payout ratio of around 80%, and the CEO announced that this ratio is not gonna increase in the upcoming years. They've been increasing their dividend now for over 10 years, and their market condition is just fabulous. People are still gonna smoke, people are still gonna buy some weed, some beer, some wines, because everybody wants to enjoy life. Now I'm going to give you an example what you can do with these 3 dividend stocks and $25,000. So the average yield is 5.56% on an annually base. So then you will have $1,391 or $115 on a monthly base. That means you can pay electricity and gas with your dividend income on a monthly base. But let's say you have invested $300,000 in this portfolio, you would earn $16,680 a year or $1,400 of passive income every month. Thank you for watching. I hope you have a magnificent day. Please hit that subscribe button. I'm really trying to grow. Give me a chance to give you some magnificent information in the next video. Bye bye.